Today we will learn Chinese characters.
狗
Next, please watch my pronunciation.
狗歌偶狗狗大狗大狗他家有一只大狗他家有一只大狗狗粮狗粮这是一包狗粮这是一包狗粮狗窝狗窝它钻进了狗窝它钻进了狗窝
Now, follow me to write this character. The left part of this character represents animals, and the right part indicates its pronunciation. When writing this character, the left side is narrow and the right side is wide. The left part is compact, while the right part is relaxed and open. This character refers to the animal we usually call dog. Dogs represent loyal companions of humans. In Chinese culture, they symbolize protection, sincerity, and companionship. Chinese people also love dogs very much. The key to writing this character well lies in this stroke and this stroke. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.